So I need more here. Maybe I'm gonna buy some potato or beans. See what happens. Hey guys, mag-plant na tayo. Time for planting. Brown tomato. Kasi maulan na. Ito ba yun? Okay. Ito. Parang ano parang mababaw. Ano ba? It's not deep enough. I need to dig more. Go. Stop. Burger. Ayos ba nga pare koy? Tanim tayo para umaani. Buksa. Yes. This one, guys, is the watermelon. This one, guys, is the cucumber. Okay. Atin na ng cucumber dito. Cucumber. Ito, cucumber. Lagyan natin doon. Yung watermelon. Ano to eh? Lagyan natin dito sa ito yung raspberry. And I'm gonna put the cucumber here so that the cucumber will climb on that raspberry after. Ano ba guys? Doon siya na-climb siya doon eh. Pag lumaki. Ito mayroon na tong there's a cucumber already in this area. I need to put more. So this one is already you know, germinated. So this is good. Right on. Okay guys. Yun. Palanggain natin kasi. Ito. Paano ba? Hindi ko alam ano yun. Paano naman cantaloupe? It's like a cantaloupe, guys.
How did you know?
The cucumber is like a cantaloupe. Ito dami ko. There you go. Meron. Technique ba? So putik.
Oh, ano yan?
Lots of soil. Mud pala. Soil. So mud. Muddy because the rain today. So yan. Taluktukan natin guys. Taluktukan natin. Ito yung pang taluktok guys. Bisaya pa taluktukan. Ito. This one is called taluktok. Just to put something to keep that in danger. Ano, keep that in dangerous things.
What are you talking about?
Woo! Oh, what else? This one. So we're gonna put the watermelon.
Should be on the side.
Watermelon. I'm gonna put it here somewhere. I'll put it here somewhere. This one is done already. It's carrots. So I'm gonna put the watermelon in this area. Okay. Oh, there's one. This is watermelon. Let's see if we can
Harvest it later on.
we can harvest. There are 5 watermelons, guys. 5 watermelon.
If we could just, if we could harvest one, then it's paid off
Harvest
already.
one on this. It's gonna be nice. Isa lang. Yun, guys. Oh.
Yeah, because the cost of watermelon, the big one is like $8.
$8 of watermelon, and this one we bought this for $1 each. Okay, $1 each for us for the germinated. Oh shit! Oh good. Paano ba magtanggalin? Hirap pala tanggalin. One,
one.
2, 3, 4, 5. Okay.
Last.
Minutes. Guys, what's this?
Squash.
Squash.
Where did you put the squash? I told you.
Over there.
Where? So nothing in here? Should be potatoes, but we don't have any potato.
One here, guys, is the what's this? Kalabasa pa to? Ano yun? Watermelon.
Yeah,
Almost like
squash.
watermelon. Squash.
Parang watermelon nga yan, no?
Guys.
Hindi na pala naka-video pa rin.
There you go. I'm done, guys. I'm done. Ready. So I need more here. Maybe I'm gonna buy some potato or beans. See what happens. I'm gonna buy beans tomorrow. Guys, thank you for watching. So we're gonna finish it tomorrow. For now, I planted all the tomatoes, the carrots, the lettuce, and cucumber. We're good. Thank you, guys.
But give your date after 3
Thank you
months.
for watching. Let's plant vegetables. Thank you.